If you're having trouble with mathematics, numbers getting problematic, don't you panic. Check MathWiz, the best math tutor on the planet. From fraction to algebra, simple maths, add up some trigonometry into that. Learning math is fun with MathWiz, and that's a fact. We're rooting for you.
So today we are continuing with solving linear equations, and we are with the complex type, so we're starting to get a little more creative with what the questions can look like. And so for this example, so we're going to go through the usual. So it's the 4 examples and the 4 for you to try, just to ensure that you master this skill. So again, we are looking to solve for x, which means that you move your x last, right? So the -8, when you take it to the other side, it will become +8. And so you have x over 5 is equal to 9. And the 5, which is divided, when you take it to the other side, it will be multiplied. And 9 times 5 is going to give us 45. So I will go over that, but if you do believe you caught that, then you can go ahead and try to work out x over 4, minus 3 is equal to 2, and solve for x. So again, just so that you guys can get the hang of it for the first one, so the -8, when you take it to the other side, becomes +8. And the 5, which is divided, when you take it across, it will be multiplied. Right, so we have x over 4 minus 3 is equal to 2. And so the -3, when you take it across, is going to become +3. And so you'll have x over 4 is equal to 2 plus 3, which is 5. And the 4, which is divided, when you take it across, you will multiply. And 5 times 4 is going to give you 20. All right, so for our second example, we are going to go ahead, still keeping our x on the left-hand side. So let's say you have -2 plus x over 6 is equal to 5. All right, so we're still solving for x, so you have to move that last. So the -2, when you take it across, it is going to become +2. And x over 6, so 5 plus 2 is going to give you 7. That plus in front of the x over 6, you do not have to write it back. So the 6, which is divided, when you take it across, you can multiply. And so 7 times 6 is going to give you 42. So again, if you feel comfortable and you want to go ahead and try on your own, you can try that question. So the -2 became +2. And the 6, which is divided, was multiplied when we took it to the other side. So you can go ahead, pause the video, work it, and then press play once you are through to see the solution. So we have -5 plus x over 3 is equal to 1. So the -5, when you take it across, is going to become +5. So x over 3, so 1 plus 5 is going to give us 6. And then we have the 3 which is divided. When we take it across, we are going to multiply. And 6 times 3 is going to give us 18. Okay, so provided you were able to try those 2 questions, we have 2 more examples to work, but this time, what if we are solving for x and it is on the right-hand side? It is worked just the same, however, we still want to do it because sometimes students do get confused when they see the x on the right-hand side. And so I just want you to be convinced that these questions are all worked the same. So you are solving for x, so you move it last. So the -1, you take it to the other side, it becomes plus. And so we have 9 plus 1, which is 10. And so we have 10 is equal to x over 2. So the 2 which is divided, when you take it across, you are going to multiply. And 10 times 2 is going to give you 20. So once you are through with that, you can go ahead and try so you may pause the video, go ahead and work it, and then press play for the solution. So we have 9 is equal to x over 5 minus 1. So the -1. So we have 9 is equal to x over 5 minus 1. So the -1, when we take it across, we will add. And 9 plus 1 is 10. And the 5, which is divided, when we take it across, we are going to multiply. And 10 times 5 is going to give you 50. Okay, so we will work one more example for this video. Still keeping the x on the right-hand side. And so we have 4 is equal to -2 plus x over 3. And so you're looking for the x, so you move that last. So the -2, when you take it to the other side, it's going to become +2. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 is equal to x over 3. The 3 which is divided, when you take it across, we will multiply. And 6 times 3 is 18. As your final example to try for today, you can go ahead with okay. So once you are through, go ahead and press play to get the solution. And so we have 7 is equal to -2 plus x over 5. So the -2 becomes +2. And so 7 plus 2 is going to give us 9. And the 5, which is divided, when we take it across, we will multiply. So 9 times 5 is going to give us 45. All right, so once you are through with this video, I do hope that you will leave a comment below or just be sure to share with your friends. I'm also hoping that you found it useful. Be sure to watch the other videos to ensure that you can master all of the solving linear equations questions, just because these will become useful in whatever topic you are doing at school. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video, and I continue to root for you.